Hello viewers, if you have a tight budget of 15,000 rupees, in this 15,000 you can definitely buy Realme P3 smartphone. I will unbox this smartphone. Opening the box you will get some documentation. After this documentation there is the smartphone itself. This is Realme P3. Inside this documentation box you will get the silicone cover case. This is a very good quality case. Then there is SIM ejection tool. After that there is 45-watt charger from Realme. This is a superbook charger. After that Type-C cable for charging your device. The look and feel of Realme P3 is refreshing. The phone comes with AMOLED display. At the back you will get two cameras, 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and towards the left side there is nothing. On the top there is SIM tray and speaker grill and Type-C port. Towards the right there is power button and volume rocker. On the top you will get secondary noise cancellation mic and air blaster. The silicone case provided with this smartphone looks very sturdy and it gives a very good grip. So you don't have to pay extra amount on the case. You can definitely use this case, and also it doesn't affect the look of the smartphone. During the first boot up of any Realme smartphone, you must be aware that you have to uncheck few settings to avoid ad and get a very good ad-free experience. Watch this step-by-step process so that you don't get any ads on your smartphone. Actually, each and every brand silently pushes some ads and marketing strategies so that you click on that link and you will get notifications instantly and recurrently. At the time of booting up the device, you will get recommended services. In that recommended services, you will get some auto update overnight, plans for Realme, intelligent search services, etc. You just have to uncheck those boxes. Now you have to click on more, and after that you will get the recommended services. As you can see here, you have to uncheck all the boxes. Using this method you can get rid of annoying ads and marketing advertisements. As it is a Realme phone, don't update in Wi-Fi. I think you should not update your smartphone because after update many problems will occur. So keep all the recommended services unchecked while first booting your device. Now the process of booting the device is almost done. You have to select which type of gesture you want to use on your smartphone. Now get started, and now you can see Realme P3 smartphone. This is actually an AMOLED display, so you will have in-display fingerprint and also always on display. This is a 120 Hz of refresh rate display. You can see that many bloatware are there, but the good thing is that you can uninstall all the unimportant apps. So I will show you how you can uninstall these apps. This booting process is for those users who are booting their Realme smartphone for the first time. So you have to press and hold any app which you want to uninstall like this, and a pop-up will show and you have to click on uninstall. So this is a very easy process, but one thing I must mention that there are many bloatwares that you can uninstall or you should uninstall from your device. Now I will go into the settings and show you how much storage is free after first boot up. As you can see here, 25.6 GB is occupied after first boot up, and it has virtual RAM. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. As it has 6 GB of RAM, you can expect 6 to 7 apps in the background running. This smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 SoC, so you can expect decent amount of performance from this smartphone. Realme P3 comes with 50 megapixel main sensor along with 2 megapixel depth sensor, so you can expect good amount of pictures from the main camera. This is a sample shot. As you can see here, it has enough details. Actually, I will test the cameras thoroughly and give you a camera test if you are interested. Plus it has 16 megapixel front camera, and if you click on the videography you can shoot up to 4K 30 fps or 1080p 60 fps. So you can expect casual videography, but apart from that there is nothing in this camera setup. These are some modes that you will get in P3 camera settings. As the display is an AMOLED one, I have played some HDR videos and HDR quality of this display is excellent. Plus it comes with stereo speakers, so you can expect decent amount of loudness. To give you an idea about the speaker quality, I will play the music. P3 has a volume booster. You can boost the volume up to 300%. It provides decent amount of loudness. So this is the unboxing of Realme P3 and first impression. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.